Hello friends, this is Tanya for Trinity Stamps, and I'm here with a product close-up video for the Sunny Side Up March release, and this stamp set is Slimline Bunnies. The main image is approximately 3.2 inches by 8.2 inches and fits on a slimline card front. It is a bunch of bunnies doing a bunch of fun and some silly things. There are 5 coordinating sentiments. May your happiness multiply. When you need to talk, I'm all ears. Hopping by to say hi. Some bunny loves you, and I'm so happy for you. There are also 2 coordinating bunnies who you can stamp individually, and this one is colored with Copic markers, and I did some fussy cutting to get that image cut out. This particular carrot holding bunny fits perfectly over the same image in the main stamped image. And you can use that to create a spotlight image on your card front. You can also color this cute little bunny holding a bouquet of flowers and add him to more than one of the bunnies in the main image. He fits on this one where he is only holding one flower, but the cut out version holds a whole bouquet. And he also fits over the bunny doing some yoga. I love the different images in this particular image. There are so many fun things these bunnies are doing. Who would have imagined? I want to point out this happy one. There's one wearing a bow tie with some buttons. There is a bunny popping out of an eggshell. There is a confused bunny. There's a angry bunny. There's a fallen in love bunny. There's even a bunny dabbing. And there are 2 bunnies doing different yoga styles. There are a whole array of different bunnies to choose from. Here are several different amazing projects done up by the design team. Here's a fun shaker card, a lovely tag, and a whole group of neutral tone bunnies wishing you happy birthday. Here's a fun shaker card with the cool bunny on the front, a little mini cup with the bunny, and this cute Easter card with the peekaboo window. Here's a tone-on-tone little highlighted bunny, and that is all from the design team. I hope you enjoyed these videos and that you'll come back again soon. Until next time, bye-bye.